Imagine an AI system that doesn't just fulfill your desires, but subtly changes what you desire over time. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening with recommendation algorithms and personalized AI. This paper, Constructive Alignment, argues that current AI alignment approaches, which treat human preferences as fixed targets, are fundamentally flawed. It proposes a radical shift, viewing alignment as a control problem over how our preferences evolve. The core problem is that human preferences are not static, singular entities. They are layered, dynamic, and actively constructed through our interactions, especially with adaptive technologies like AI. Think about how YouTube recommendations can turn a casual listener into an obsessed fan, or how social media can shift political attitudes. AI systems are increasingly shaping what we attend to, value, and ultimately want. The paper introduces 3 axioms. First, preferences are layered. We have immediate wants, instrumental goals, deeper identity-based commitments, and abstract values. These layers can often conflict. For example, a short-term want for instant gratification might clash with a long-term health goal. Current AI often optimizes for the easiest-to-observe layer, potentially undermining our deeper values. Second, preferences are dynamic, changing across our lifespan, generations, and even moment to moment based on context or physiological state. Third, preferences are constructed through interaction. Our experiences, the tools we use, the media we consume, and our social environment all actively shape what we come to prefer. AI, as a powerful tool and social actor, plays a significant role in this construction process. This leads to the core breakthrough, constructive alignment. It reframes alignment as a control problem over evolving human preference trajectories, rather than simply satisfying static preferences. The goal is not to prevent AI from influencing preferences, which is impossible, but to understand and responsibly govern how that influence unfolds, ensuring it supports human agency and long-term well-being. The paper formalizes this using a control-theoretic framework. The system state now includes not just the external world, but also the human's preference state and belief state. Both AI actions and the interaction structure, how the AI presents information or elicits input, jointly influence how these states evolve over time. Preferences are no longer external, but an integral, dynamic part of the system. To guide this complex evolution, constructive alignment introduces meta-preferences. These are higher-level constraints that restrict which policies are admissible when optimizing for human well-being. For instance, inner coherence ensures that different preference layers remain mutually supportive, preventing AI from creating internal conflicts. Reflective endorsement ensures that a chosen trajectory remains desirable from the perspective of a person's future self. Other meta-preferences include bounded influence, which limits how much and how quickly AI can shift preferences, preventing manipulative or rapid changes. Epistemic integrity ensures that AI does not worsen factual errors that shape preferences and ideally helps reduce them. Finally, empowerment under uncertainty prioritizes preserving the human's future options when preferences are uncertain, avoiding lock-in to potentially mistaken objectives. While groundbreaking, constructive alignment is a foundational step. Many details, such as how to precisely measure preference divergence or calibrate tolerance parameters, are open research questions. Learning how preferences evolve and measuring AI's influence are significant technical challenges. These complexities are amplified in multi-user settings where preferences co-evolve through social interactions. In conclusion, constructive alignment offers a crucial paradigm shift for AI alignment. It moves beyond simply satisfying static preferences to actively governing the dynamic process of human value formation. As AI systems become more capable and pervasive, understanding and responsibly shaping their influence on our preferences is not just an option, but a necessity for building truly beneficial and aligned AI.